Wait, iPhone 16 under 40,000 rupees? Sounds like a scam, right? But no, it is actually true. You can grab this iPhone under 40,000 in Amazon and Flipkart before the launch of iPhone 17. So here is the deal. iPhone 16 launched at the price of 79,900 rupees only, and currently in Amazon it is listed at 69,999 rupees only with discount, cashback and exchange offers. And if you have any older iPhone or Android lying around, then boom, your iPhone 16 price can dip below 40,000. Sounds crazy? Right. And Flipkart will not stay quiet. Same type of discount and offer you can see on the Flipkart also. But here is the catch. This all are happening because iPhone 17 series is going to launch on September 9, and due to that reason the older iPhone price drops. So what's your plan? Just wait for Amazon Great Indian Festival and Flipkart Big Billion Days sale and you can grab your iPhone 16 just below 40,000 rupees. And if you want that type of updates more, you can also subscribe us. And if you like the video, share it with your friends.